Hello, I'm Vadani Ariyam. This is about the sole traders accounts. Last time I have done it for the profit and loss account. This time I'm going to explain about the balance sheet, the sole traders accounts part 2. What is a balance sheet? There are three financial statements important for a sole trader to keep it ready anytime, because if they face financial difficulties, they have to get the loan, they have to apply to the bank loan. So the lender will ask for the financial statements. Or if you are looking for a investor, the investor will be interested in looking for going through the financial statements. What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet is not an account. It is a financial statements grouping and listing financial properties, liabilities, current assets, and fixed assets and capital on a specified date. It refers to the net worth or the financial position of the company. Therefore, you should prepare this balance sheet and keep it ready all the time. It explained using the equation assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. It is crucial to prepare your financial statement as it shows the people who are interested in business the financial position of your business. Further, in need of financial help, that's what I have said about is when you are looking for an investor, you have to give them the financial statements to impress them. I have given a sample of the balance sheets which I have done for you. You can have a look at it on my website. Fixed assets. It's normally listed and added first in the balance sheet, showing the different types of fixed assets that the company has in order of permanency. If the business owns the premises, it will be the first value added to the balance sheet, as it is a long-term asset when compared to other assets. In the case of machinery and vehicles, the value goes down quickly because of the heavy wear and tear. The reduction in value of these assets called depreciation. Current assets. As you see in the balance sheet, the least liquid entered first, and the liquid item comes as the last one entered under current assets. These assets change in the course of trading. Stocks can be sold to cash, and cash increases, then unpaid customer increases. Increase the value of the debtors also increase. When more cash comes in, more stocks are bought, either for credit or for the cash, creating a value of trade creditors. So the creditors balance will increase in the balance sheet. Therefore, the changes in trading goes on as far as the business is in existence. Bank and cash called liquid assets, and the petty cash paid into the main bank account. The total current assets here in this sample is $5,260, and the total current liabilities of $1,300 deducted to show the net current assets. The amount of $1,300 that we owe, the company owes and needs to pay within a period of 12 months. That is a current liability. If there are long-term liabilities, we'll put below the current liabilities, but in this example, no long-term liabilities, which are bank loans and other liabilities like people get money from the house or something like that, is a long-term liabilities. So the balance in the current assets added to the fixed assets, that will be the net assets of the business. The last element in the balance sheets, how do you finance? How to show how these finance? The first thing, one, is the capital, which owned by the sole trader. Is not complicated, it is direct, and brought to this balance sheet from the last year's accounts. Then added to the profit, of, in this example, $6,528, made in this business for the particular period. Then the owner has taken some money for personal use. It's about $5,568. That needs to be deducted from the total. Now, if you can see the balance sheet balances at the end. This is how the sole traders have to maintain their accounts. I have talked about profit and loss in the last account, and this time I'm talking about the balance sheet. Maybe next one will be about the cash flow, setting about the cash flow. These are all sole traders' business accounts. I hope you understood these tips. If you are a sole trader, you have to read this again and again to understand, to prepare the accounts and keep it with you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it as well. Thank you. Bye for now and talk soon.